So here's the mousetrap. First thing we're going to do is take the staple out, because the staple is holding this bar here. So you pull it out like that. The first thing I'm going to do is put some bait on it. I'm going to use the peanut butter as bait. Now, I learned a little trick. You take a Q-tip here and you peel off some of the cotton, like so. Yeah, about that much. And then what you do is you scoop out some peanut butter and you put it on the cotton. Just kind of roll the cotton and the peanut butter together. Now, the reason you're doing this is because when the mouse grabs onto the peanut butter, the cotton's going to get stuck in his teeth, and he's going to pull it, and bam, thing's going to snap really good. So there's not going to be any type of stealing the bait without getting snapped. And I'm going to put it right underneath, kind of like underneath that little, where it's bent, like that. I'm going to press it in a bit. All we want him to do is grab onto that, pull it, and bam, my fingers are all clean now. The next thing, I'm going to go over to the place where I've observed mouse feces, and we're going to go put it over there and set the trap. You can see there's some mouse crap right along there, so I know this is an area that's getting activity. So I'm just going to put the mouse trap down in this area. It's in the corner, right by the garage door. Okay, so now I'm going to set the trap. I'm holding this skinny bar in my right hand. Actually, I'm going to switch to my left hand. I'm going to pull back the kill bar with my right hand, and it's spring-loaded, so you want to be very careful with this and hold it down with one hand. And then with the skinny bar, you just put it under that copper flange there, and you can feel that it's set. And now we're going to put it in place. Pretty simple. Slide it back there against the wall there. Okay, and now we're ready to catch a mouse. Okay, so let's see if this worked. Oh, it did. Well, it's just a traditional mouse trap. Did its job. But I think they might be coming in through here. I can see some daylight. Yeah, right there. You can see that daylight? That's where they're coming in from. So I've opened the garage door, and I see where the problem is. They're coming in under this piece of wood right here. Coming in here and then getting in the garage. So I'm going to do something very simple. I'm going to use one S.O.S steel wool pad. Take the steel wool pad and I put it under here. Just the full pad. Squish it in there real good. Okay. We'll leave it like that. Okay, so I got one S.O.S steel wool soap pad in place. I'm also going to put some more under here, just to make sure. Just squish it in there. Now, just going to set a trap, put it in the corner again, and see if this solves the problem. Okay, so it's been a week now since I put the S.O.S steel wool pad and clogged up the mouse entrance, and look, no mouse in the mouse trap. Baited it, bait's still there. And just to let you know, I have two other mouse traps in here. There's another one behind the washer dryer unit. There's the other mouse trap near to the door that enters the house. No other mice have come in, so I'm 100% certain this is where they were coming in from, and now the garage is mouse free.